We expected that ASUS somewhere down the road will release a reboot of their controversial ZenFone 5 due to their recent naming scheme. Lo and behold, in MWC 2018, we got a glimpse of the revitalized ZenFone 5 series, two of which even follow the notorious notch design. Then just a few days ago, they arrived in the Philippine market. What's up guys, Kim here with YugaTech, and today we'll be unboxing not one, but two boxes for the ZenFone 5. Who wants to see the same old retail packaging, right? So let's start with this big box that we received from ASUS. To add a bit of flair to the unboxing, once you open the lid of the box, a panel will drop to reveal the ZenFone 5 itself. A nice little dramatic effect. Now if you're wondering where all the other components are, well, they're conveniently tucked inside a small hidden compartment at the back of the box. First off, we have the standard wall plug, then the included earphones, a USB Type-C cable, extra earbud pieces, and a clear jelly case. Let's move on to the retail package. Now this is what consumers will actually receive when they get a unit. It pretty much has the same components except for the additional SIM ejector tool and user manuals. We'll just speed this up for you a little bit since you've already seen the components. As for the unit itself, at the front we have the 6.2-inch 19:9 aspect ratio FHD Plus display covered by Corning Gorilla Glass. Just above that is the ever notorious notch that contains the 8-megapixel front camera, call speaker, LED notification lights, and sensors. The ZenFone 5 makes use of on-screen navigation, paving a way for ASUS to maintain a slim bottom bezel that increase the device screen-to-body ratio by 90%. Moving on to the left, we have the hybrid SIM card slot, while on the right are the power button and volume rockers. Up top is a low noise cancelling microphone, and down below are the USB Type-C port, 3.5mm audio port, and the dual loudspeakers. Lastly, located at the back are the dual 12-megapixel and 8-megapixel cameras with LED flash and fingerprint scanner. The ZenFone 5 is powered by a Snapdragon 636 processor paired with an Adreno 509 GPU. The Philippines received the 4GB RAM variant, which is priced at 19,995 pesos and is now available nationwide. Stay tuned for a full review in the coming days. If you like this video, smash the thumbs up button, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel for more content, and don't forget to hit that bell icon to be notified of our latest uploads. Once again, this is Kim, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!